Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great, fit and fine. So guys, this is an important update for the cost accounting English batch on YouTube. I have been getting lots and lots of messages in the last few months that sir please resume the English batch. We started with the English batch, we uploaded 32 lectures. We were discussing about the overhead costing last, but due to some reasons we couldn't continue that batch, right? I think it was in the month of March near about that we uploaded the videos for the English batch, and I've been getting lots and lots of messages that sir please resume the English batch, sir will you be uploading more videos or not, please tell us. So the update now is that yes, we are going to start with the English batch on cost and management accounting, and this batch will be resumed on the YouTube only, sir. Right, this is going to be a regular batch covering all the concepts, covering all the questions in detail, in depth. We'll be discussing about, sir, when is this batch going to resume? Now this is the big question that all of you have been asking me. So the date is, we are going to resume this batch from 1st of July 2021. So that means in the next 2 days. Right, so this is the big news, big news, that we are resuming our English batch, regular batch of cost and management accounting on YouTube from 1st of July 2021. So get ready, guys. Now, regarding this batch, for the first few days, you will get the videos on alternate days. Right, that first video you will get it on 1st of July, then second you will get it on 3rd of July, right, then on 5th of July. Right, so for the first few days you will get it for first say around 15 days you will get it on the alternate days. After that you will get the regular videos, and this batch is applicable for November 2021 and onwards attempt. We'll cover all the concepts in detail, we'll cover the questions also, right? So this is the one update that I wanted to share with you people. I know a lot of people are depending upon these videos. A lot of people have been waiting for these, right? So guys, don't worry, the wait is over now, and we are definitely going to start from 1st of July 2021. First few days alternate day video, and after that on the regular basis you will be getting. Now what you have to do is, for this batch, if you want the books are available on our website. Right, the books are available on our website, that is www.ksjteaching.org. The latest books applicable for the upcoming attempt are available now, so you can get the books from there. Email ID, if you have any inquiries relating to the batch or the books or any other course, you can email us at ksjteaching@gmail.com. And the Android mobile app, download the Android mobile app KSJ Teaching. There, all those who are able to understand Hindi, there is one course, that is the ICAI-SM course. So you can make use of this course, right? This is an updated course as per the latest module of ICAI. So this course is really important. Sir, what about those who are not able to understand Hindi? Guys, for those people, I'll be coming up this course very soon. Right, for that what you have to do is, you can download the app so that whenever we launch the course, we'll send you a notification. Secondly, you can join the Telegram group, the link you will find in the video description, right? Or join us on all the platforms, on Twitter, on Facebook. We'll update everywhere whenever we are coming up with this ICAI-SM course in English. We're coming up with this course very soon in English, right? And one very important thing that we are planning for is, for the future, maybe for November 21 or not, I'm not sure, but yes, one thing we are planning for is that a comprehensive course covering the ICAI study mat, covering the practice manual, covering the previous year questions, covering RTP and MTP, a lecture course covering all these areas, right? That will be a very useful course, and all those students, all those people who think that this course is really going to be useful, must tell me in the comment section that yes sir, that will really be a motivational factor for us, that yes, we have to prepare it as soon as possible. But yes, the ICAI-SM course is coming very soon in English, that is for sure. That is our promise to you. And the regular batch available on YouTube free of cost. Now what you people have to do is, you people have to share this with maximum people who can take the benefit from this. The complete course in English, Hindi course is already available, and that Hindi course available is applicable for the upcoming attempts, that is November 21 and onwards. Cost accounting is a static subject, right? There no change in the concepts, everything is there, everything is covered in Hindi. Now everything we are going to cover in English, right? So this one update I wanted to share with you people. Now you share with your friends and other people who can make the best use of this lecture, right? So see you guys very soon on 1st of July 2021 with the resumption of the English batch of Cost and Management Accounting with lecture number 33 on overhead costing, right? So see you guys till then. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.